This week was a battle between me and my village people. And again, Mavin trading condition is a mess. And I will tell you why I say it's a mess. First of all, let me talk about me and my village people. On Monday, I took a gold buy. Market legit came to my entry, tapped me in, went from 1:1.5, then came back and hit me at break even. Then he went for my take profit. And I asked my village people, am I not your son? Why are you doing this to me? I took my faith in peace, closed my chat, and I went to bed, or I went to sleep, or whatever. The next day, which was on Tuesday, I came to the market, took another gold buy. But this time around, did you know what my village people did to me? Price came very close to my entry, skipped me for about 1 pip, then went straight for my take profit. What's funny in all of this is that all this happened within 5 minutes. I just needed just one candle to tap me in and go for my take profit. That would have been a clean trade and a quick one as well. But I guess my village people didn't want me to win. But again, I still accepted my fate, because who am I to question the market? My rule is simple as ABCD, because I've tried to work on my discipline in the market. Whenever I enter the market or whenever I take a trade, I take my mind off the trade, because I do not control the outcome of any trade. So whatever outcome of any trade, I'm good with it. So what happened on Tuesday, I took it in good faith and I left because I didn't see any other setup for the day. Fast forward to Wednesday. This time I took a gold sell, but now my village people was like, this boy, you are stubborn, let me show you pepper. Immediately I took that sell, once price tapped me in, it went straight for my stop loss. And I was like, what is it? What is the problem? Why are these people holding me against my own will? It went for my stop loss. All this within 5, not even 5, it wasn't even up to 5 in 1 minute. It went straight for my stop loss, and he told me, my boy, go back to sleep. I said, okay. All of this I'll show you in chat. Just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, I need your support to grow. As a stubborn child that I am, I came back again on Thursday, looked for a setup, but I didn't see any. Maybe my village people wasn't with me that day. Since there was no trade on Thursday, I left again in good faith. Yo, what's up everyone? Today is Monday and I took this gold buy. So I took this trade on my 5k profit account, and I usually risk 1%. So this is my chart. As you can see here, this is the gold and the 5-minute time frame. I try to keep my trading strategy as simple as possible. In order to do that, when I come to the market, I confirm the trend of the day. So here is my confirmation in the 1 hour time frame. This is the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, market has been selling for the past week, but for this week the market has changed its structure to bullish. So for this reason, my intention was just to buy. So as you can see here, same strategy as always. I wait for a breakout from London session. So once the market broke out, the only thing I wanted was to buy at a demand zone. So I picked this one. The market came back, it tapped me in, it went my direction for 1:1.5, and it came back and hit me at break even. That was a funny trade. Hit me out at break even, went straight for my take profit. But I have no regret anyways, because that's my rule. You gotta keep to it. Once it goes for 1:1.5, I break even. So regardless of the outcome, your strategy and your rules should be sacrosanct to you. Keep your strategy simple as possible. Keep to your rules. There are no two ways about trading. Once the strategy you'll be trading has been giving you a win rate of about 50%, trust me, you are good to go. There are no regrets to this trading. I promise you that. Follow your rule and your strategy, and I tell you what, you will always have a blessed month. Stay blessed, y'all. Appreciate. See you all tomorrow. Yo, what's up everyone? Yesterday he missed me by around 1 pip and he went for my take profit. Hopefully, I hope this one goes in my direction. You know how we do it here? We just set our order, but we don't expect much from the market. Whatever outcome it turns out to be, we're good with it. That was a quick one. It just went straight for my stop loss. This is it here, and that's the loss for today. Now, my problem with Mavin was on Friday. Mavin Prop Firm trading condition is so bad and it's immense. First of all, I took a sell on Mavin, because normally I analyze the market using trading view when I place my trade on Mavin. But this time, the first entry I saw was a sell after a breakout below London session. I placed my order and I was monitoring it using trading view. Market came close to me, skipped me for about 2 pips, and it went for my take profit. The same way it was on my trading view was the same way it was on my Mavin. So when this happened, what I understood and what I've noticed since I've been trading was that whenever a market is in a sharp bearish or bullish move, it tend to respect the immediate supply or demand zone. So when market skipped me for about 2 pips in the previous pending order I set, I cancelled the previous order. I took my order to the next supply zone with hopes that it would tap me in and go in my direction. But you know what happened? I was just pressing my phone looking at the chart. All of a sudden, I just started hearing notification. Bang, 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 bang. Market had tapped me in on Mavin and it has gone straight for my stop loss. What's funny is that on my trading view, as of the time I heard this notification, price hasn't gone to my entry in yet and it has not tapped yet. But on Mavin, it has tapped. I opened Mavin chart. I saw that it has been manipulated. My chart has been manipulated. This happened to 4 of my accounts and it has tapped all of them and went for stop loss. I was heartbroken because I've been using Mavin for about 6 to 7 months now and I haven't had this experience before. I compared and contrast. I looked at it, this has not tapped yet. When it tapped, it was a profitable trade. First thing I did was that I messaged Mavin on their customer care. I told them all that has transpired between me and them. Do you know what these people told me? They were telling me that it was a different broker and a different liquidity provider. And I asked them this. On Monday, when market tapped me on a zone I set on TradingView, it was the same as that of Mavin. Then it wasn't a different broker, no, a different liquidity provider. On Tuesday, when market skipped me by 1 pip, it was the same thing on Mavin. Still then, it wasn't a different broker and a different liquidity provider. On Wednesday, when I took a loss, it wasn't a different liquidity provider nor different broker. Then why is it that same Friday, when market skipped me for about 2 pips on TradingView and on Mavin, it was same. And still then, it wasn't a different liquidity provider nor a different broker. So why is it that when the chart got manipulated, it now turned out that it was a different liquidity provider and a different broker? I've took losses not just on my account, but on 2 of my friends' accounts I trade for them. On different of my accounts, they deducted either lesser or higher of what I have risked. On my 5k account, I risked $45. But when my chart got manipulated, I was deducted just $32. On my 2k account, I risked $19. When my account got manipulated, I was deducted just $13. And then I asked them, if these charts weren't manipulated, where are the deductions either lesser or higher? And they did not have any explanation to all of this. All of this I have said, I will post them. You will see my texts with them. I'm confused. Is it that the spread work with lesser amount of candlestick before tapping? Because if you look on the TradingView candlesticks, it took 4 candles to come back to my order before tapping. But on Mavin, when it was on the 2nd candle, Mavin has already tapped me in, but I sent it to my stop loss. Almost every trader uses TradingView to analyze the market because it is easier and it is similar to every other broker's chart. I have sent a complaint to them. Till now, they have not been able to put me in a position where I'm supposed to be. And you can't tell me the chart wasn't manipulated when all similarities has been there. For the past 6 months, I've been using Mavin. For the past week, it has been the same. For this week, it has been the same. And you don't have to tell me it's a different pair because I've been trading last and it has been the same candlestick before tapping. And even before the manipulation, the first order that was skipped for about 1 pip or 2 pips, it was the same amount of candlestick on TradingView and Mavin. So why now is it a different liquidity provider and a different broker? So because of the mess on Mavin, as of this week, I had 2 losses and 1 break-even. If not because of the mess, I wouldn't have come out from this week on a loss. My P&L would have been 1 break-even, 1 loss, and 1 win. And that would have put me on the winning edge. Still on still, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel as you have always supported my journey from the start. I appreciate your support and I will always do.